Everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the garage today. It's a little cold outside, only 44 degrees here. But yeah, my heater don't work yet. I gotta finish hooking that up. But we're gonna be putting the door handle on the back of the Silverado. It's a little tight in here, but we'll get it done. Let me show you how we're gonna do this. Here's the door handle. Definitely broken, but it's all right. We got a new one right here that we're gonna be installing. You're gonna need a T30 bit. Let's rip right into this. Not a hard job to do. Just take you like probably around 5 minutes to do this job. One. And the other one. You guys always want to make sure you guys compare your old part with your new part, which they are the same. And the only tricky part about this is you always want to put the top in first and grab this metal bracket right here and push it that way, just so you can line up the holes that the bolt's going to go in, because it's going to want to move away on this side on you. Just get that one started. The other one's going to do the same thing, but you should be able to grip it. Yep, there we go. We're just going to hand tighten them down, and we'll give it a try, and then we'll tighten it all up to make sure everything's all set. Nice. Nice. Perfect. Now we can tighten it all up. Oh, that was nice. Nice and easy. Oop. My finger was in the middle. Well, yeah, she's all set now. Door open, shuts. Perfect. Right. I hope you guys stay tuned in. We got a lot more stuff going to be going on with this one and a couple more projects. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and have a great day.